afternoon, everybody. I have a little problem with my voice today. So I just want to thank everybody for participating in the first 8th week of the new year. This is our second year, going on our second year. And I would like to thank the teachers, all of the teachers.
Yeah.
Third year already. Time flies forward.
Oh, eight. We started on 8 March.
This is the beginning of the third year.
Yeah.
This is the beginning of the third year.
Yeah. Okay. I would like to thank everybody for coming and participating. You know, I mean, everybody here could be doing something different on a Saturday morning, but every single week you guys come here and you dedicate your time to learn the language and everything, and that means so much to us, and I hope it means so much to you. And we appreciate you being here, being part of this, you know, special. This is so dear and near to my heart. I really appreciate all of the effort that comes into putting this program together. And with that, I have to thank the Blazer Learning Center, Mr. Davenport, for allowing us to use this facility. I have to thank the California Alliance of Traditional Arts for funding this program. And I also have to thank you for being here, you know, and it is something.
Without you, you don't go anywhere.
Because without you, we wouldn't be here, you know, and also those who are looking online, you know, thank you also for participating and joining us every Saturday. And because my voice is cracking, what I'll do is I will hand the certificates over to the instructors so they could go ahead and give you the certificate of completion. And Jesse Eunice, if you could please come up and hand And just in advance, there was a few that we had a few mistakes on. What we'll do is we'll print them and hand them to you again at another time, okay?
There's somebody who signed. I'm sorry. Let me make sure I have my signature.
What's wrong with
Okay, so, well, you want me to let
Let's go.
Okay, so Mr. Reyes will present this.
We have Greta Lewis.
Lewis, yay!
Friday.
Wonder. Picture. Picture, please. Picture. Together. One more. Abba Biyama. Okay.
And Del Forrest.
Del Flores, yay!
From the time Bill discovered this class, Bill and Del have been here. Muhagar na to, logo sung e dera bula biro ya sag song. Your husband will tell you the meaning. And then we have Michelle Goldwasser.
Yes,
Michelle has been attending the Garifuna activities over for 10, maybe close to 20 years. Somebody will translate. Brother William Flores. Bill is a strong supporter to our project. All projects Bill has been present ever since he discovered this class. Yes. Let me show the one. Que é o da tinho, luma tu GAHFU que é dum da tinho, luma hon sumo tu hachila banyaho, habu sum harigo bano lida gen, lambarale. Sereme wa mutibu, yaho me wa mara lida. Dire que muru utini del bulo ya bisag sa muti. Artisha Welsh.
Yeah!
Artisha Welsh has received, I think, close to 10 certificates. Since 08, the beginning, she's one of the first students of GAHFU Blazer Learning Center. And no have a girl that will be here. Luangu she's from Saga Samuti. Gara dalane na gumuchuni Lu Ben Flores.
Ben!
Brother Ben.
That's not who we are.
Ben Flores goes back into Garifuna even before he was born. He inherited from his father, the great Don Justo Flores. He's the pioneer of the writing of the Garifuna language. He's the first person who wrote the Garifuna dictionary. You know? So, bra, sereme wa motibo, lo agu sungi dera bugule, banigu be wong, dan dulu mage bubichi, kesi boom again. Yeah, you never say boom. Salaga sereme.
Would make it.
That's all, folks.
And
What made?
we have to give Mr. Ruben Reyes a great big hand for being Now, Ms.
innovation.
Jessica will do her presentation to her class.
I want to tell the people, first of all, I want to commend the people in my group, especially the ones who are there every week. Then I have to say that, of course, the world is going to watch you get a certificate. But make sure that if you have not been coming every week to earn your certificate, please try to come every week next time. You'll understand if you are sick or you are out of town that you don't come. Okay? Please try to make your attendance look very good. So that when you get your certificate, you can jump as high as this roof for what you have done. Okay? Hello? The first two certificates say Aruf Dahat Ruben Reyes. Make sure I'm not Ruben Reyes, okay? Laruni Briseño.
Yay!
Ano mabigay dalan na bagmus ni lagmis na ba friend yo.
No, you have to say Sereme. Sereme.
What do you say your name?
Jaren.
Jaren Briseño. Ano mabigay dalan na bagmus na
One more.
Subo. Bravo.
Ali.
Bravo.
Ano mabigay dalan lang na bagmus na friend eh.
Sereme ni Arun Aruf Dahat lo.
Ano mabigay I wasn't expecting. Love Lebeda. Lawansero.
His family has grown 8 inches in this class.